On Thursday, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah inaugurated the 217th Flower Show at Lalbagh for Republic Day celebration. He paid tribute to sage Valmiki with floral offerings to mark the event. Cabinet Ministers Zameer Ahmed, Ramalinga Reddy and S S Mallikarjun were also present. This year's theme is Sage Valmiki, featuring 25 lakh flowers and over 60 types of seasonal blooms from Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Horticulture Department expects 10 lakh visitors with the show running until January 27th. To ensure smooth access, 120 CCTV cameras have been set up and separate parking spaces are arranged to avoid congestion. Two-wheeler parking is available at Alameen College, Shanti Nagar, BMTC, Hopcoms and corporation parking lots, while parking is restricted along several roads near the venue.